Central Boiler built the Maxim to be the best, most efficient outdoor wood pellet, corn, and biofuel furnace on the market. The Maxim sits outside, right next to your house if you want, and heats water.
The heated water circulates and easily connects to your existing heating system. It's simply controlled by a thermostat providing even heat throughout your home. Unlike indoor stoves, this system safely keeps the mess and fire outside, heats all your domestic water, and it's expandable, allowing you to heat multiple buildings.
The Maxim is easy to operate and requires minimal maintenance thanks to its advanced technology and high-quality components. Let's take a look at how it works.
Fuel is loaded through the large top-loading door into the integrated hopper, which holds nearly 600 pounds of wood pellets, enough to heat for days on a single fuel load. We also offer external hoppers for additional fuel storage, which allow for even less reloading.
The whole unit is controlled by the Firestar combustion controller, which automatically tunes the furnace for optimal efficiency.
The combustion controller can connect your furnace to the internet, allowing you to live monitor your furnace from anywhere. You can even set up text alerts.
Speaking of advanced technology, check out this film on how the Maxim works.
A large auger feeds fuel into the fire in the burn chamber as needed. When there's no call for heat, the controller stops adding fuel and the fire goes out. When there is a call for heat, the controller uses electric ignition to light the fire.
The components of the Maxim are built with industrial strength. The burner auger is made of high-grade steel and larger than most. Now, indoor pellet stoves use generally a smaller chintzy auger like this, which is more prone to plugging and seizing up. The Maxim auger is powered by a heavy-duty motor with 540 inch-pounds of torque. The aerator in the burn chamber has holes in it, allowing it to add oxygen right to the center of the fire while agitating the fuel, giving even greater efficiency. To demonstrate the size and strength of the Maxim's components, check out how these foosballs will run through the auger without jamming it up.
The point is that our industrial strength components keep the Maxim running smooth, where smaller units may plug or seize up.
Biofuels utilize carbons already present in the environment. Heating with them reduces your carbon footprint.
Wood pellets are the most commonly used biofuel, as they are highly efficient and they are readily available at retailers nationwide. Other biofuels include corn, cherry pits, barley, wheat, or a mix of these. Burn the fuel that is most economical for you.
You may be wondering if the Maxim's heat output is right for your application. The Maxim can produce anywhere from 25,000 to over 200,000 BTUs.
It can heat anything from a small home to an airplane hangar.
Flexible BTU output makes the Maxim a one-size-fits-all furnace that provides the exact amount of heat that you need.
Central Boiler is North America's largest manufacturer of outdoor furnaces, and we have an expansive dealer network across the United States and Canada. Visit centralboiler.com for more information on the Maxim and to find a dealer near you.